Tu Mokemoke is a moteatea and a journey throughout Tauranga Moana, reciting marae, tupuna and sites of significance. Join us as we learn this local waiata and explore our rohe, mai ngā kuria whare ki te tū.
Ko Hikurangi te maunga, ko Tuapiro te awa, ko Tuapiro te marae, ko ngā kuria whārei te whare tupuna, ko muri wai te whare kai, ko mātātua me takitumu ngā waka, ko te whānau o Tuapiro me Ngati te wai te hapu, ko Tuapiro e taunei. Originally, there was no marae here at Tuapiro. Our home marae was Otawhiwhi, and so we were always commuting across the estuaries, across the sea, back over to Otawhiwhi for hui mate, for hui, or just to get together. I think roughly around 1996, there was a build of the current whare, ngā kuria whare. But before that, there was a tono by our people that were living here. They went to Otawhiwhi to seek approval. And then Otawhiwhi said, yes, there can be a whānau marae. This marae was to be only for whānau to come back to, and making it more accessible for tangihanga. And then there, Otawhiwhi had given us the reo karanga. So they had given us the voice. And then we went to Te Rere Atukahia, to the kaumātua back in those days. And there they agreed to a whānau marae, and they would give us a pai. So we had a collaboration of marae from Otawhiwhi would give us the reo karanga, which was, the last one was Bessie Tuanau. And then from Te Rere Atukahia, they would give us a pai. And that relationship has always been strong with our three marae in the raki. Once that got approved in 1996, and I believe it took one day to build the house. So one day to build ngā kuria whare in 1996, it was opened and we were having hui, and our first hui on the marae was a wedding. So, and these are some of the kōrero that has been left. Some of the whānau actually are matua Boiri, he elaborated on the praina whānau. We've got the Witere whānau, we've got the Richards. Predominantly most are Witere, but we've also got some extended whānau that connect to Tuapiro through Otawhiwhi. So we're all quite closely knit, and it's sort of like, well, my take on it is that Otawhiwhi was the hustle and bustle. There were heaps going, heaps moving back or building there. And so it was sort of like our little migration to find land that would be enough for our whānau and hapu. So the predominant tupuna for us is Mokomoko Tohu was her name, and Witere Taupe. Some of the other names were the Tainga Hoi and Ngā Hoi as well. Yeah, kia ora.
I'm tied in with both maraes, Tuapiro and Otawhiwhi. I'm 75 years old now. Actually, we used to go to Otawhiwhi marae a lot too, and we were living in MOKEMOKE, that's in Athenry, closer to Otawhiwhi. And we used to walk and even ride our horses across the channels just to get to that. But back then there was no roads to Otawhiwhi, and we used to ride our horses across. Even sometimes there's a hui on and we get to the harbour, Athenry. Tide half in, we got to go across, and we had our clothes on. And this is why they reckon back in the early days you used to have smoke signals, no communication. And sometimes it just instinct kicks in. We all go down together, all the tamarikis, and we'll go down and take a sugar bag, fill it up, kaimoa, whatever we catch. Titikua, oysters, horse mussels. And sometimes we take a spear because a lot of flounders in the harbour then. Hori Brian, that's one of the old kaumatuas. He married my grandfather's sister, so this is how they tied in with Tuapiro here.